too many to count, really. We've got committees for everything. Like there's a tech committee, a PD committee, we got the collaborative response committee. That's just kind of school-wide stuff. You have your disciplinary departments, numerous clubs and activities. Like this, the school is a very, very busy place. So a myriad of actual teams that are in the building. So our collaborative team meetings though is definitely something that brings everybody together, because often we're coming out of a place of isolation at the school, COVID, and then, at the high school level for sure, our restrictions were just eased up last year around early May. So it's only really been 12 months that we've had kind of going back into a regular high school kind of atmosphere and culture. So like the school has been a very, very busy place this school year, which is fantastic. Like we bounced back real quick from that. But there was nothing really kind of bringing everybody together besides just general staff meetings. So it's nice. It's nice to have kind of this one team that kind of connects all of them together. Community is definitely the big takeaway for our staff this year from collaborative response. People have been just shut inside their classrooms for 2 or 3 years. It was a very we were encouraged, if you're on your prep, just leave early, right? You don't want to be in the building. So it's, coming to place, this is a place where we're here in person, we're working, we're putting in the hours, we're putting in that work to support our students. And it did not take long for people to use these bi-monthly meetings as a way to reconnect with each other after such a long time. In a larger high school as well, it's not uncommon to be working with other individuals for years and to talk to them maybe just a handful of times in that time. So having these interdisciplinary meetings that we had really allowed us to meet our colleagues who we've been working with for years now as well.